Hi children. Can you speak English? Oh, I hope so. Today we'll talk about abilities, and how to tell them using can and can't. Are you ready? So, let's start. But first, review the modal verb can. I can, you can, he can, she can, it can, we can, you can, they can. John, can you play the guitar?
Yes, I can.
Julia, can you play the violin?
Yes, I can. I can do it very well.
Jack, can you play basketball?
Yes, I can.
Sarah, can you dance?
Yes, I can. I'm very good at dancing.
Bob, can you jump the rope?
No, I can't.
Oh, I see. Serena, can you play football?
Yes, I can.
Ivy, can you swim?
Oh no! I can't swim.
Oh, I think you can. But now, listen to me. I will teach you how to use can and can't. So, remember, this is the right formula to ask someone whether he can do something or not. Did you understand? So, now, it's time for a quiz. Are you ready? Let's try. Can he play basketball? Yes, he can. Can she play the violin? Yes, she can. Can he jump the rope? No, he can't. Can she play football? Yes, she can. She can play football very well. Can he play the guitar? Yes, he can. Can she ride a horse? Oh, I think yes. So, what about you? Can you play any sport? What is your favorite sport? I can dance very well. But I can't cook. Oh no. Can you help me?